Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. So you just got yourself a KRX 1000. Doesn't matter if it was a 2-seater or a 4-seater, and you're looking to make it street legal here in the state of Utah or other states that allow it, or maybe you're just looking to add a turn signal kit. This is a new kit from RYCO, part number 4200A-4001. Now you're wondering, what are we even looking at here? Well, this kit in traditional fashion does activate like the rest of the RYCO kits. I'll show you that here in a moment. But instead of drilling the holes to install the 3/4 inch amber LEDs, we've actually replaced the entire headlight assembly, and that signature light from Kawasaki is what's going to be your turn signal. Want to check it out? So here on the steering column, you've got the lever, down will be left. Of course, indicator lights up on the dash letting you know those turn signals are on. How about that? Very nice. No more holes to be drilled. This kit is more expensive, of course. You're replacing that whole headlight assembly. And on the back, it does tie into the stock tail lights, illuminating all of those bright LEDs. The KRX kit also comes with a custom license plate bracket that is designed specifically for the KRX, as you see there. Also includes a light to illuminate the plate at night. Now here in Utah, the only thing you'll need in addition to the RYCO Street Legal kit are 2 mirrors, one on each side of the driver, sufficient. On this KRX, we've chosen the Kawasaki Premium Side View mirrors. We do love these mirrors, by the way. Check out our other videos on those. Back to the street legal kit, you do have the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. The indicators there on the dash and on the back side. Looks way good, right? And on the front. You do have good visibility there. And to release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever as well. We do have these kits in stock, 435-427-3338. Give us a call or shoot us a text at that number. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have and get a kit shipped out today for you. Have a great day, everybody.